Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital and Medical Research Institute is an outcome of a dream come true. Inaugurated in early 2009 at Andheri, Mumbai, the hospital is built by the Reliance Anil Dhirubhai Ambani Group and is the first of the group's flagship community initiatives. Shri Dhirubhai Ambani believed a hospital is not a place where money and profit is important. Every single life saved or a patient cured would give me more satisfaction than mere financial gains.
No man is an island. It is our communities that nourish us, empower us to be the best we can be. That was the genesis of this institution. And that's the ethos that impels us forward. Going forward, we dedicate ourselves to serve the community with no profit at the core of our mission. Because every Indian deserves the best the world has to offer.
Built on the 4 pillars: talent, technology, infrastructure, and care pathways, the Kokilaben Hospital comprises of 10 lakh square feet of space and spread over 19 floors, built in conformity with the best of global standards. Talent. No effort has been spared to scout and bring on board the best medical professionals in various clinical specialties from across the globe. We are the only hospital in Mumbai to function with a full-time specialist system, which ensures doctors' availability round the clock. Patient rooms. Patient rooms at the Kokilaben Hospital have been designed to ensure complete patient comfort and privacy and include wards with 5 beds in each room, twin sharing rooms with private entertainment for each patient, single rooms that are spacious with all possible amenities, suites. Our suites are equipped to handle all the personal needs of a family and the patient. At the head of our offerings stand our centers of excellence and include the Center for Brain and Nervous System. Our center is a super specialty department that is supported by precision-driven technologies that avoid damaging the sensitive parts of the brain and nervous systems. The Imres Suite, a world first at Kokilaben Hospital, is one such unique feature. The center is also supported by the new generation and most advanced 3 Tesla MRI with whole body and functional imaging capabilities for more accurate diagnosis. The Center for Cancer. It offers the entire range of cancer care services across medical, surgical, and radiation oncology, and is fully equipped to tackle all aspects of cancer care. Our strength lies in having dedicated oncosurgeons for head and neck, breast, lung, esophagus and stomach, liver, gallbladder, pancreas, colorectal, urology, and gynecologic cancers. A 40-slice PET CT, the first in India, offers more accurate diagnostic capability for the identification and location of cancer. The center also has cutting-edge radiation therapy facilities, supported by linear accelerator-based technologies, including Trilogy and Novalis TX. The Center for Cardiac Science. The Center for Cardiac Science provides an all-inclusive program for the management of heart disease, from newborns to seniors, including prevention, diagnosis, treatment, and rehabilitation. It is supported by 4 cath labs, the largest number in the city of Mumbai. The center is supported by an advanced dual-source cardiac CAT scan that has made diagnosis a lot easier for the patient. The Center for Bone and Joint. This center is a hub for latest in technology, advanced technical skills, and medical expertise, with facilities focusing on every aspect of orthopedic care and rehabilitation. The department has a super specialist for spine, joint replacement, arthroscopy, trauma, and pediatric orthopedic. The center has dedicated operation theatres, installed with computer-aided navigation systems for joint replacement and arthroscopic surgeries that provide accuracy and better long-term results. Center for Children. Care of sick children has been one of the cornerstones in our planning and delivers complete services for robust child health. The center provides specialized support for children. It has dedicated pediatric ICUs and neonatal ICUs to provide special care to critically ill children and newborns. Our unit additionally specializes in child psychiatry, pediatric neurology, and rehabilitation, with all specialist doctors available at all times under one roof. Children's Heart Center. The Kokilaben Hospital's Children's Heart Center is the most comprehensive facility of its kind in Western India. We have the largest registry of complex surgical and interventional cardiology procedures performed at this center. Babies as young as a day old and weighing as little as 2.5 kgs undergo complex cardiac surgeries here. Center for Mother and Child. Our maternity care center is located on a single floor, offering mother and child services including fetal, neonatal, and pediatric services. An advanced fetal care center is specially designed for the evaluation of unborn babies with medical problems. Minimal access gynecological surgery or keyhole surgery is done here regularly. The maternity care department also offers reproductive endocrinology, a center for IVF, the Center for Physical Medicine and Rehabilitation. Our scope encompasses remedial services for stroke patients, children with cerebral palsy, sports injuries, and chronic pain. The center is supported by dedicated inpatient beds, a first of its kind. A key feature at the center is the ability to manage disease related to aging and works towards getting seniors back on their feet at the earliest. Center for Sports Medicine. The Center for Sports Medicine focuses on treating patients, be it professional athletes or any other patient with musculoskeletal problems, with excellent rehabilitation facilities. Should a patient require surgical intervention, the expertise and experience of the Arthroscopy and Sports Orthopedics Department at the Center for Sports Medicine is unparalleled. Our other specialities at the hospital include the transplant program. The Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital offers a kidney, liver and bone marrow transplant program with a multidisciplinary team of experts doing both cadaveric and living related transplants. 2 operation theatres are dedicated for transplants. And there is also a dedicated 7-bed transplant ICU. HEPA filters maintain the highest standard of air quality in these operation theatres and ICUs. Accident and emergency care. Our accident and emergency service is designed to function as a level 3 trauma center. The emergency unit has 2 dedicated elevators for immediate transfer of patients to the operating rooms and intensive care units. Critical care. Kokilaben Hospital has the largest number of critical care beds in the city of Mumbai, with 180 ICU beds and dedicated isolation rooms. Other specialities that complete our offering at the hospital include cosmetology and aesthetic surgery, Department of Dentistry, ESWL, anesthesiology, dermatology, endocrinology, gastroenterology and clinical nutrition, internal medicine, nephrology, urology, psychiatry, pulmonary medicine, ENT, general surgery, ophthalmology, and plastic and reconstructive surgery. Other features that makes us special include executive health screening. Separate from the areas dealing with sick, this complex provides an environment that is not hospital-like and allows you to get back to work in the quickest possible time. Convention and Exhibition Center. The Convention Center, which is dedicated to the memory of Dr. Neetu Mandke, is geared to host international events with a capacity to accommodate from 100 to 600 delegates. Food and beverages. Patient meals are hygienically prepared in an industrial-grade kitchen. We are the first hospital in the region with a dedicated food court, a fine dining restaurant and satellite stations serving snacks around the clock. The Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital offers patient care, medical expertise and infrastructure at par with international standards. Which is why we have patients coming for treatment from various parts of the world. Giving back to society. We have set aside and will continue to set aside a corpus of funds every year for treating the lesser privileged sections of the society free. For at its core, we remain a non-profit organization. The Kokilaben Dhirubhai Ambani Hospital and Medical Research Institute, where every life matters.